Yo, what is up guys? This is the third day of the vlog and now we're on the roof of the place we're staying. I didn't know there's a roof, but there's a roof, so we're like, look at that, look at the view, and look at this thing. This is cool. You don't normally get roofs in my country. Yeah, no, in my country you don't normally get roofs because there's no roofs on our houses. We all just live, you know, rain, shine, no, you just don't have access. I bet this is dangerous. Holy shit, just take in the view, take in the sky. Everything's so nice. Why is everything so nice in this country? Wait, this is green screen. I'm in space. She's in space. It's gonna look ugly, it's gonna look so bad. Okay, enough of the roof, let's go and explore the rest of Korea. Seoul, not Korea. Just walking past a shop and then there's a dog. Just chilling. Hey guys, in the train, if you walk down the path, there's actually a gauge which tells you how much calories you burn. That's weird. Guys, there are so many pancake shops. There's one here, there's one right next to it, there's one right next to the next one, there's another pancake shop, there's another one right there. Dude, they must really love their pancakes. Hey, it's another one. Oh my god, it's another pancake shop. So we're sitting right in front of the shop and you just get to order right in front. I'm about to try that live squid, bro. Oh. Ah. So this tteokbokki is just sticky rice together with some sauce. So guys, we just arrived at the palace area. We're gonna explore the inside of the palace. And what is it? It's like the Korean palace or something. I don't know, I'm gonna go in and see. Yeah, no, we couldn't go in because it was closed. Kind of a waste of time coming all the way here and cannot even go into the palace. But it's pretty sad, you know. Why is it closed? You know, I really don't understand. Even the signboard says that it's gonna be open from 9 o'clock to 17 o'clock. So why is it closed now? Oh shit. You're not allowed here. Oh my god, guys, you won't believe what I just found. Oh my god, it's so cute. Bye bye. Guys, look at this place, it's so aesthetic. Look behind. Whoa. So we have arrived, after climbing up the steepest hill ever, we have arrived at the art gallery. And now we're gonna go in, you can see the art murals. Yeah, why are there so many steps in this country? Oh, I'm so unfit. Oh my lord, this is not the end. More steps. Let's go. Oh my god, why is this so steep? It's so peaceful out here. Like there's no city noise. There's no crowd. There's just silence and steps. Oh, guys, this is the ultimate Osu training. You wanna be a Osu god like Cookie Z and Firebat 92. You need to climb steps. Whew. Oh my god, there's even more. Whoa, we made it up here. Whoa, it's like a mini village of art. And also a convenience store. Nice. Oh my god, it's another cat cafe. That's some really specific opening hours. Like really specific. It's surprising how this whole area is so nicely done up and it's just a residential area. Like people with their free time just made this place look nice. So yeah, why can't other countries do the same? So this whole area from a residential area became a tourist attraction, you know. Tourists spoil everything. I'm a tourist, haha. Oh. Oh my god, it's the Avengers. Okay, time to go down. So we are back at the apartment. Okay, so hopefully y'all are enjoying the vlog so far. Now I'm back on the roof of the building that we used to be on. There is something behind me. Oh. Now it's currently 9 degrees. It's supposed to be really cold, but I don't know, it's kind of nice. I'm just wearing t-shirt shorts. It's nice. So this is the end of day 3. Hopefully y'all are enjoying the vlog so far, and yeah, moving on to day 4. Stop with the bloody light. Ow!